Metro is leading an effort to apply new recycling and garbage signage and decals at multifamily properties in Clackamas, Multnomah, and Washington counties to help residents better understand which items go in the recycling and which go in the trash. This video demonstrates how a typical worksite will be completed. Please refer to the training manual for more detailed instructions. When arriving on site, find parking. If no space is available, park as close to the enclosure as possible and use flashers for safety. If it's an indoor enclosure, find parking on the street or in a visitor space. Do not obstruct traffic. Begin pulling out necessary tools. Record the on-site time and capture before images on Survey app before work begins. A separate training will go over how to complete the survey in more detail. Note if the enclosure is locked, unlocked, indoors, or outdoors, and make corrections to site name and address if incorrect. Observe bins and which waste streams belong in which bins. Begin removing old, outdated decals using the scraping tool and peeling out the corners. Avoid damaging bins and scraping in areas where there is rust. Be sure to leave decals that provide safety messaging and hauler information intact. If safety decals are damaged, they can be removed. See training guide for additional details. In-molded labels should be covered with new decals. Dispose of the debris in the bucket provided in the toolkit. Use cleaning solution to clean surface and remove adhesive residue. Be sure the surface is completely dry before applying new decals. After old decals are removed, determine which sizes and types of decals you need to apply. The new decal placement should be easy to view on approach for residents and someone who is about 4 feet tall. Make sure decals are straight when applied. Avoid creases on equipment and areas that come into contact with hauler machinery during pickup. To apply, remove backing from one side or part of the decal. Apply the sticky side to the container and use a squeegee to remove air bubbles as you pull the backing off of the rest of the decal until fully applied. Dispose of the backing in the bucket supplied from your toolkit. Once all decals are applied, note the quantities and size used in the app on your iPad or tablet. Capture an after image of the enclosure with as many completed bins as possible. Log if technical assistance is required, such as overflowing garbage and bulky waste, etc., and record on the Survey app. If you encounter property or management staff, offer enclosure signs or interior posters for them to hang in the enclosure space. Record the quantity and types you provided. Record site departure time on the app once completed. See training manual for more detailed site visit instructions.